What up, YouTube? Alright, I've never really liked this thing, even though it's the right color. It's not me, so we're gonna slap on a new horn cover. Let's do it. Alright, let's begin by taking this one off. Let me get this spark plug out the way first. Spark plug wire out the way. Alright, let's start by taking this one off. 1/2-inch socket. Make sure you save your washers because you're gonna reuse these parts. Alright. So here we see he's got a wire clip. You're gonna remove the wire clip. And this is what we're left with. This is obviously upside down. First, let's remove the wires. We see the black wire goes to the left, yellow wire goes to the right. All right, we want to remove these 2 bolts from the back to take the horn cover off the bracket. 3/8 wrench or socket. Be mindful of your wire clip. It does hook on to the top bolt there. Now this is a 2012 Fat Boy with a twin cam engine. Yours may be a little different, but it's not going to be that different if you have a Milwaukee 8. So there's a bracket. Also, make sure you don't lose your threader clips here. Those are very important. So you want to bring those out. And finally, we're going to take this last nut off. That's the actual horn assembling to the horn cover. This one with a 10mm wrench. Now most of these nuts and bolts you're going to reuse, so don't throw them away unless your kit comes with the requisite everything. This one doesn't, so. And there's our actual horn. Bye-bye cover. Now the new horn cover I got it straight from Harley Davidson. It's a genuine Harley Davidson motor accessory. I actually had it custom painted in white instead of silver. Well, I say custom. I did that with a marker. I think it looks good, comes out well, it's cheap. All right, so let's get back to reassembling this. We take our horn back, get it all the way in there, and put the bolt through. Put the nut on it. These you don't want to tighten so tight that it'll strip them out. So just, you know, a tighten plus a 1/4 turn. Tighten plus a 1/4 turn. That'll do it. And we want to put our threading clips back on. Let's get our bracket back on. And again, you don't want to tighten these so much that you'll strip them out. Remember, the wire clip goes on the top one. You can use Loctite on this if you prefer. I don't feel it necessary. Again, I cannot stress this enough. Do not over tighten these. You do not want to strip these bolts. Just till it's tight plus a 1/4 turn. There we go. That was easy. Now we're going to plug our wire back in. Remember the black on the left, red on the right. To our wire clip and right back on. And there we have it, new horn cover. Of course, plug your spark plug back in, and we're all set. That's it. Ride safe.